Play Free Code Camp. Today we're going to be solving the intermediate algorithm scripting challenge, Steamroller. It's a simple one. The goal is to flatten a nested array, and we have to account for various levels of nesting. So we might get an array that contains an array containing an array. We might get an array that contains elements, which can also contain other arrays. We need to take all the elements in the array and put them on one array together. So there's no nested arrays. So an array like this one here in the third test will not be a part of our flattened array because it's empty. So we're going to start off by declaring a fin, which is going to be an empty array to begin, and that's where we're going to store our steamrolled array. So we're actually going to call that flat to make it easier to understand. Now we're going to say r.for each. We're calling the for each method on the given array. And from that we're going to get an element. We're going to call it element. It's going to be the next element in our array. It's going to run this for each element. And we're going to say if array.isArray element, then we're going to that means that the element we've got here is another array, like in this case. So we need to use some recursion to pull the elements out of that array as well. And then we're going to need to take the elements that have been pulled from that array and attach them to our flat array. So we're going to do that using the concat method and some recursion. So we're going to say flat is equal to flat.concat, because we can't just call flat.concat. It returns a separate element but doesn't modify the original array. So to set our new array, to update our flat array, we need to reassign it. So we're going to say flat.concat steamroll array ln. So this is us using recursion. We're calling this same function for the array we found in our array, and then it's going to go through the same process, flatten an array and return it, and then concat is going to join our two arrays together. So now we're going to write the case for when we find an actual element in our array and not just another array. So we're going to say else, meaning that we've determined it's not an array. We're going to say flat.push element. Now down here we're going to return flat instead of instead of array, because that's where our flat array is, and R is the array that was passed in, which is not flat. Now we're going to run our tests. And we've passed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.